In this video, we present the revolutionary Bloomden Porcelain furnace PF1. It has a compact size, which is the smallest size in the world now. PF1 supports the function of auto temperature adjust to ensure that the actual temperature arrow within 1 and -1 degrees. And there are 99 customer programs, built-in programs. Bloomden Vacuum Porcelain Furnace adopts high-quality quartz tube as chamber and super AI resistance wire as the heating element. It also offers hyperbolic ceramic furnace function, which provides a complete crystallization process for glass ceramic crystallization. The program can be set to single curve mode or hyperbolic mode. PF1 has true color touch screen, which is easy to operate. It also has a voice prompt function, a tone when lifting and lowering the stove, and a countdown display for porcelain. It is outfitted with precision stepper motor drive, making the operation smooth and free without jitter. PF1's fire cleaning mode has automatic cleaning function. The device is equipped with a no-noise tree and a fan. Deactivation of the fan are controlled automatically. The fan prevents excessive heating of the device and contributes to its general operating safety. Bloomden has a complete set of equipment integrated with R&D and production. This is the whole details of Bloomden PF1.